Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little project share showing some of the stuff I've been making with Dollar Tree items, and I'm obsessed with altering stuff, you guys. Literally, I'm just like left and right, like what can I make, what can I alter? So the first thing, I was inspired by the Pink Hutch, who I recently just discovered on Instagram, and she makes these like little wood signs that have like a shaker. I'm a paper crafter normally, so I have a die, a metal die, and I just made a little shaker, as you can see right here, and put a little bit of sequins and polymer clay in there. And I did Witch Potion, and if you guys watch American Horror Story, it's the same font as that. I will link it down below where I got it off the website for free. Basically, any font that you want, you guys can Google it and find out like the name of it on a free website where you download the font, and you can then cut it out with your Silhouette Cameo or your Cricut machine. So I did Witch Potion right here, and it's super cute. And this is a little chalkboard frame from the Dollar Tree, and the actual frame part was this color at first, but I used some wax color stuff. I'm loving this stuff, you guys. This is actually brand new, but I spilt it and then I had to rinse it off, so it like ate away the paper. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's $1.99. It's down the paint aisle with all the other little paints like this. It's just further down that aisle, like it's not with all the normal colors. So this is the folk art, and it's called Home Decor Wax, and it's in the color Antique. And when I think of wax, I think of like thick residue sticky stuff, or waxy like a candle, you know, but this is literally a really watery liquid, and it just stains the wood. So that's what I did. It was this color and it did this, and then I went through and kind of just dry brushed on some black acrylic paint onto the edges to make it a little bit more witchy and distressed looking. As you can see, look at the other side, is this is just the stain. I didn't do the black. So there's the stain, here's the stain with black, and the other side is just it had a sticker on it, and it kind of like left some indentation like on the particle board, but it's fine. I just painted it white with white acrylic paint. Again, I did Sweater Weather Ray Dunn style font. So for fall, I can have it like this, and then Halloween, and then I'll flip it back over for like November, you know, Thanksgiving time again. And this saves me having to put stuff in storage, like a little storage box, and in the attic or wherever. I could just leave it out like this, flip it back over, just keep rotating it. Sweater Weather can go all the way to February. I've been doing that with most of my little alterations. Next is this. You guys saw me make some pumpkins like this. I just painted this with black acrylic paint, and then I went through with a nail file and just kind of sanded the edges so you could see some of the natural color. This was 2 packs of these little like ornament style from Dollar Tree. I'll leave the tutorial down below if you want to see, but I did the witch hat version, super cute. I think I might do it to the ghost version, but I don't know how it's going to stand because it comes to a point. So I don't know yet with all that. These guys, these little wall placards, hanging wood decor, little circles. I easily just made some little wood risers, you guys. How cute are these? So this one, I used that antique color, and I just painted the sides, and then I used little wood beads. As you can see the holes right here, I used wood beads from my local dollar store, not Dollar Tree, but a dollar store, and was able to stain them because they were a natural color. So if you use like a bright colorful bead like Dollar Tree has, you could paint it black. So these ones I painted black, and then again I sanded to give it that little like distressed look, kind of. I did hot glue in the holes, the little hanging holes, like so. So I have these little wood risers. You can put little signs. You could put things like this on it. You can put a pumpkin, like a little felt pumpkin, and you can put like a coffee mug on there, which is my next project. They have black cups at Dollar Tree. Again, I used the Ray Dunn inspired font. It says Toxic because I kind of want to do a witchy theme for my 3-tier tray. Next is this. This is actually like a little like cutting board style thing. These are from Hobby Lobby. These are $3.99, but 50% off. They were $2, or it was $2. It was a natural, a little bit darker than this, but I went ahead and stained the front and the sides of it to give it like a darker color. So this can be for fall or Thanksgiving, and then flip it around and notice I still left the sides that color. The back side I painted black. I distressed some of the edges, and I did trick or treat. So I could just, again, flip it around and nobody's gonna see that side. Easy, just flip it for the season. Super cute, right? And then I have this one, again, it has a cute like wood frame. This is actually from the 99-cent store. It had some like felt material on here, so it kind of left some residue. I'm gonna sand that down with my nail file because I don't have sandpaper. And then I'm gonna paint this white, decorate it, and it'll be I'll put some cute font on there. And I could easily, I might be able to salvage and paint the back if I remove this hook. That way I can make it two-sided. So yeah, that is my quick little project shares, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye guys.